What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a full preview of my forum page in my website homepage, just like this, okay? So here is my forum page, made using bbPress WordPress plugin, with topics, replies, subtopics, and if you go to my site homepage, there is a preview of my forum. How to add this into your WordPress website is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. Into the dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. And remember, to access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see this page. Hover mouse over plugins into the left sidebar of menus and click on add new. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have installed the bbPress WordPress plugin, okay? In the case you don't know how to install things, let me know into the comments so I can help you. After finding this page, go to search plugins into the upper right corner of your screen and type bbP style pack, just like this, and click on install now. Then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, hover mouse over settings and hit the submenu bbP style pack. Then you're gonna be able to find a couple of tabs, search for shortcodes, and find this shortcode right here. Display forum indexes and all options. You can copy this to clipboard, okay? But you're gonna need to change the things right here. Let me show you. You're gonna move to your page, add new, click into the plus button, search for shortcode, and place the shortcode right here, okay? Here is all you have to do, but this will not display your topics because your topics gonna have your own IDs, these numbers right here. So go to our site, find the forum page, and get the forum ID, in my case 3056, place 3056 right here, go back, a new one, 3390, 3390. Let's use the comma to separate, just like this. And let me grab a new one, 1564, just like this, and you're gonna enter every single one, okay? After, your shortcode gonna look exactly like this. This is my numbers, okay? Check yours, this is very important. And you can publish your page to get the results you want, a preview of your index page into your pages, okay? Let me show you once again. And here is a preview of my forum. And I can enter this shortcode into any section of my site, on footer, into another page. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!